11th math student. Today we will discuss about derivative or in topic differential coefficient. So derivative is simply rate of change of quantity. Rate of change of quantity means rate of change of area of the circle with respect to radius. Means area will change with respect to its relative components. Relative components is radius. Suppose a particle is moving, it moves from point A and reaches to point O and reaches to point A. So distance traveled by particle from O to A is x. And from A to B, very little time, it reaches to point B, and distance between A and B is delta x. Delta x is here very small quantity, very minimum distance traveled by the particle from A to B, and time taken by the particle is delta t. So here limit delta tends to 0, delta x by delta t is written as dx by dt. Dx by dt is a rate of change of displacement with respect to time, that is equal to velocity v. So rate of change of displacement with respect to time, that is dx by dt. Dx by dt means rate of change of x, dt means with respect to time t. From the figure, let y is equal to fx is a curve, any type of curve. A line here intersect the curve in 2 points A and B. The distance of A from along the x-axis from origin is x, and its y coordinate is represented by y. And what is the distance of B? X plus h, and its y coordinate you can take y plus k. Coordinate of B, x plus h, x coordinate, and y is coordinate is y plus k, and coordinate of a x y. When b tends to a, मतलब b किसकी ओर अप्रोच कर रहा है, a की ओर, and it becomes very close to a, then h will tends to 0. In this case, limit h tends to 0, fx plus h minus fx by h. This is the rate of change of x, and this relation is known as derivative of fx, that is represented by f dash x. Since y is equal to fx, so it is also written as dy by dx. dy by dx means rate of change of y with respect to x, or derivative of y with respect to x is written as f dash x, and this is equal to limit s tends to 0, fx plus h minus fx upon h. So at a point x is equal to a, here you can write f dash a, in place of x write a, that is limit s tends to 0, f a plus h minus f a by h, and this thing is known as derivative at a point. This is also known as slope of tangent to the curve at a point. So this is slope of tangent. This is known as slope of tangent to the curve at a point. X is equal to a. Okay. So rate of change means dy by dx or f dash x at the point x is equal to a is also known as slope of tangent to the curve at the point x is equal to a. Clear to you will remember here. Now see some standard formula you will use in exercise problems. So directly you have to use the formula. So first dy by dx means derivative of sin x is cos x. Derivative of dy by dx of cos x means derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Tan x dy by dx of tan x sec square x, dy by dx cot x is minus cosec square x, dy by dx of sec x is sec x tan x, dy by dx is cosec x is minus cosec x cot x, dy by dx x to the power n, base power, base is variable, power is constant, n is any real number here, so that is n into x power n minus 1. So dy by dx of a to the power x, this is also base power, but base is constant and power is variable. The a raised to the power x is a raised to the power x into log a, means log of base. So dy by dx of log x is 1 by x, dy by dx is k is constant, constant will never change, so derivative of constant is 0. So dy by dx is e power x is same ex. Now see some more formula, additional formula. So dy by dx ax plus b raised to the power n, here a, b and n are constant. So by x to the power n, you can write n means power side में लिखना, then base ax plus b and 1 less from base means n minus 1 into a means multiplying by the coefficient of x. So dy by dx of sin ax plus b by sin theta is cos theta, same cos ax plus b into multiplying by the coefficient of x. Same for cos ax plus b, tan ax plus b, cot ax plus b, you can write same as sin x, cos x, tan x. Okay, so dy by dx of log of ax plus b 1 upon ax plus b into a means multiplying by the coefficient of ax. फिर dy by dx of e power ax plus b, तो e power ax plus b into a. So you will remember these formula, these are the basic formula you will use in exercise problem.